Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer your projects from your PC to your phone. Make sure your CapCut is logged on your phone, like the same account. Make sure it's like the same account logged on CapCut. That's what I meant to say. Then you are going to either create or join a space. You're just going to create a space. I already have one here. Then what you are going to do next is you are going to select the project you want to transfer to your phone. Right click it. Then just like upload, select that space and select upload. Select got it. And, oh, wait, let me just do another one, like this one. Select upload, and that's it. It should be on your phone once it's uploaded if you've logged on to your phone, and just open space on your phone. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!